Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna share with you tips on how to make money on Niki Live app, and I'm also going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to get started and how to make income on Niki Live app, and also how you can withdraw your earnings. So stay tuned, watch the video until the end for you to learn the whole procedure. And if this is the first time you're coming across my video, or this is the first time you are watching my video, consider subscribing and also like the video, and don't forget to turn the notification bell on so that anytime I'll be uploading any new video you won't miss any of my video. Okay, and you can also share with your friends who wish to learn, or they also want to make some extra income online. Okay, so back to the video itself. So what is a Niki Live app? Niki Live app is a social media app, just like any other social media. You can um, make income from it, and you can as well connect with fans from different parts of the world. If you join Niki Live, you can either join as a live streamer or as a viewer. So if you are a live streamer, you can chat, your fans can chat with you directly on your live, and they can also follow you or even send you virtual gifts, which can be beans or coins, and these beans and coins you can later exchange them into real cash. Okay, so I'm gonna take you through, I'm gonna show you everything, how you can get started, how you can go live and do everything, and even how you can withdraw your earnings after downloading the app. Okay, you're gonna get the link itself on the description of this video. I'm gonna put the link of the app on the description of the video, so if you watch the video until the end and you've understood, you can directly go to the description, and it will take you where you're supposed to get the app itself. Then after that you sign up. After signing up, log into your account and do the email verification, phone verification, and everything that you're supposed to do. So after that you can be able to start going live, and also you can start connecting with people globally. So it's a app where you can treat it as a source of income, and also you can treat it as a connecting platform, connect with different people around the world, and also you can show people that your talent, then they'll reward you for the talent that you share or you show them. Okay, so it's amazing app, it's a very good app. Anybody from any part of the world can join and can also make extra income. So if you are interested, or you have any question or any suggestion, just comment down below. I'll be able to help you out. If you tap on the link, you're gonna see download button right here. So you're gonna download the app, and if you have been asked to put the referral code, make sure you get the code from the description of the video or comment section. Yeah, you can write it somewhere. Then after downloading the app, while while registering, you can enter the code at the required place. Okay, after that you're gonna log into your own account. So let us go to the main app. Let me just explain little bit about the this part down here, what they all mean. Down here we have live, we have club, we have post, we have chats, and we also have a me. So to get started with me, down here, me is where you can check on your profile. That is where your profile is. If you tap on me, you'll be able to see your profile and everything about you. If you go to charts down here, you'll be able to see the charts or notification from assistant or the main official app. Okay, you can see right here. So that is where you can access the chart. Then again, you also have posts. So post is where you'll be able to see hot topics or trending topics. You can see them on my screen. We have the trending topics, and again we have different posts from different people. You can go ahead and like the way you like in any other social media, and you can as well gift right here, and also chat. You can see, or I mean write a comment. So even if you want to write amazing, you just click on amazing, or you type something manually and comment. You can also follow the one of the profile or the one of the account. You can scroll down to like more, as many as you want, the way you normally do on any other social media like Facebook. Okay, it's so simple. You can follow people, and you can also post. You can click on post moment, then you're gonna click on text, album, camera, video, depending on the um kind of content you want to maybe upload or post. Okay, so you can read the greater guide. You can also check on daily updates, offers, a chance to win 0.3 cents. I mean that is 30 cents. Okay, you can click on the arrow to know more about it. Right now I'm not going to go into details, but I just want to summarize. So it means that even if you post, they'll still pay you even for posting. Okay, so you can see different people. So we have different clubs. You can discover different clubs, and I'm being told to receive a certain reward. We have different ways of earning on this app. Truth to be said, I've checking in. Okay, sure. So I've been rewarded for checking in. So you can see that different rewards that you can get on a daily basis. So guys, it is real, it works, and everything is real in here. And guys, everything here pays. So as you join Niki Live app, know that you can claim different rewards, and again you can earn as many times as you went. Okay, so I think that is that. So live, this is most important part. So we have people, you can see people. If you are following, you can see if they are live. You can click on follow to see, and you can also see hot people. And something you I assure you on this app is that there is no day you will see any nude on this app. Anytime anyone try to show private part on this app, they will ban the account immediately. So you can see people around the world, like from different countries. You can see the country's badge. You can see this girl is from Kenya, this girl is from I don't know which country's badge is that. You can see she's a Kenyan. Then we have people from different places. It's not only Kenyans. Okay, so you can see this girl is from Ghana. Yeah, she's from Ghana. And this boy. So it's not only for girls, it's even for men. This man right here is from Nigeria. You can see we have people from this girl from this country. We have people from different parts of the world. Okay, so yeah, you can just see even this girl. You can see this ladies from the UK, this one from Kenya. Okay, we have, I think they're showing me more Kenyans because I'm a Kenyan, right? So we have different people, this girl from these countries, like we have different people. You can see this country, this a man too. So if you want to go live, you just come here. You come here, click on party live or live. So party live is whereby you go live by yourself, like you can only invite one person. Then live, I mean I think I've done a wrong explanation. Party live is whereby you can go live and invite people, many people, 9 seats or even 13 seats. Like you have seats you can invite people to sit and you chat or you exchange gifts, or even you have fun together. Okay, so on Niki Live, you're allowed to show your talents, and when your viewers love your talent, they will reward you or even gift you, and these gifts can be exchanged into cash. That is, they will reward you and it will be in form of coins or beans, and the beans you can exchange them into cash. Okay, so I think that is well understood. Payment methods, let me go to my own then show you something, guys. So I'm showing you my account at the moment. Okay, I'm having 12,703 beans. You can see everything. Okay, so if you click on exchange beans, you can withdraw. Okay, you go to withdraw, then you click on withdraw. We have different methods. You can see what I can withdraw is $1. Okay, up to $1 because the minimal amount is $1. So if you're using Niki Live app, make sure you watch my next video on how to register. On how to register or create account on ePay. Okay, so ePay is the simplest. You only need email address and you can withdraw as minimum as $1. These other ones, they charge more fee, and ePay only charge 1%. This USDT is also simple, but they charge 1.5 percent fee. Then this USDT BEP20, that is for Binance, they charge 1.52. You can bind even PayPal. Wow, they have now even brought PayPal. So they have different methods of payment. In case you don't know any of this, you can chat me up. I'll be able to explain more. And I'm gonna do a video explaining the withdrawal methods on Niki Live. So don't worry about that. So if you want to know how to create ePay account, make sure you watch my next video for more clarifications. Okay. So I think that is all I wanted to share with you now about Niki Live. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.